A daily wet shave involves dragging a sharp blade across the surface of the face. While it removes hair, it also strips the skin of its natural protection and leaves behind microscopic abrasions. When we apply alcohol-based aftershaves, the resulting sting is a direct signal of tissue irritation. Natural deodorants often struggle to solve the secondary problem of body odor. Many rely on heavy masking scents that fade by noon, or use alkaline baking soda that frequently causes painful red rashes on sensitive skin. Traveling only adds to the complication. Maintaining a liquid-heavy routine means packing multiple containers into small, spill-prone plastic bags. One mistake in volume calculation leads to your grooming supplies sitting at the bottom of an airport security bin. These combined issues create a grooming routine that is physically irritating, logistically difficult, and dependent on a rotating collection of complex chemical mixtures that clutter our living spaces. Replacing that entire collection of liquids requires only a single, naturally occurring stone. This is the Somata alum block. It is a solid piece of pure potassium alum, a raw 100% natural mineral salt. This unscented stone functions as a grooming multi-tool. It acts as a soothing aftershave, an immediate solution for minor nicks, and an effective daily deodorant. Utilizing this mineral allows for a move away from slathering the body in complex mixtures. The entire routine consolidates into the use of one highly efficient elemental tool. Potassium alum carries a history that spans thousands of years, surviving through civilizations because of its consistent utility. In ancient Egypt, where heat made personal freshness a constant challenge, mineral crystals were a standard part of daily hygiene and spiritual purity rituals. The practice followed trade routes into the Roman Empire. Gladiators and bathhouse patrons used these mineral salts as antiseptics for wounds and to manage odor. In the 19th and 20th centuries, traditional barbers maintained the practice, using alum blocks as a professional finish to calm skin after a straight razor shave. Any tool that remains in continuous use from the pharaohs to the modern barbershop has proven its reliability through centuries of repetition across different cultures. Shaving presents a specific biological challenge. The blade removes the skin's protective mantle and leaves hair follicles wide open, creating a direct path for bacterial entry and irritation. When wet alum block glides over the face, it deposits a mineral layer, triggering an astringent action. Skin tissue contracts, sealing open pores. It also provides a hemostatic effect. Local blood vessels constrict, stopping bleeding on contact. While alcohol aftershaves cause a chemical burn to simulate a sensation of working, potassium alum actively manages the physical damage caused by the razor blade. The same mineral serves as a deodorant, but the chemical name potassium aluminum sulfate often raises concerns about absorption. Conventional antiperspirants use synthetic aluminum chlorhydrate, small molecules that penetrate skin to block sweat glands. Potassium alum's massive crystalline structure is physically too large to enter pores. It creates an antimicrobial film where odor-causing bacteria cannot survive, allowing natural sweating while neutralizing smell. Effective odor control is achieved not by stopping natural bodily functions, but by making the skin surface inhospitable to the bacteria that cause the problem. Using the block is straightforward. You wet the stone under a tap, glide it over freshly shaved skin or underarms, and let the mineral layer air dry. Since the stone is completely unscented, there is no clash of fragrances. You can use your preferred cologne without it mixing with the scent of an aftershave or deodorant. For travelers, a solid stone in a protective case bypasses TSA liquid rules entirely and removes the possibility of a messy spill inside your luggage. Economically, a single block replaces dozens of plastic bottles. Because the mineral wears down so slowly, one stone can last for months of daily use. Replacing cluttered plastic bottles with a single alum block simplifies the bathroom sink into a focused, minimalist grooming station. This move away from irritating laboratory chemicals toward a single pure element changes how we approach body care. By utilizing a 2,000-year-old mineral, we create a grooming routine that works with our biology, proving that the most effective solutions are often the ones we have known all along.